Hello friends, my name is Gautam and you're watching part 7 in the tutorial series of making an advanced logging system in PHP and MySQL. So in the last tutorial we have seen that is this confirmation mail that we have successfully verified that the user has clicked this link. So if I click this link, so it was showing to me that is you have clicked an invalid link or your account has been already activated. So I have already activated that account, so this is showing me this error. So let me go to the database, that is this database. So it is already having this entry, that is Sharma Gautam 1997dob@gmail.com. So it is already registered and the active field is set to 1. So I am already registered. I am already registered by clicking this activation link. So this is showing me this error, that is your account has already been activated. So let me show you once again what I mean. So if I delete this and again go to my register. So let me delete this database record also. Let me delete it and once again register. Let me type a name and username and an email address and password. So it will send a confirmation link. So as you can see here, please check your email to confirm your account. So after that a confirmation mail is generated. So let me click it. So if I click here to activate my account, so it will say here the text is not visible, that is your account has been activated, now you can log in. So in this tutorial we will be making the login page. So if I again just click this URL, so the message changes, that is this time it is there, you have clicked an invalid link or your account has been already activated. So the error changes, and if I eliminate this activation code from this, the error again changes. It is this time error is please use the link that is given to you to activate your account. So let me style this. This is not visible, so let me go to my verify.php page and let me give a class of verification. And let me go to my style sheet and provide a style to it. So let me align the text to center and let me provide a background color. Let's suppose this hexadecimal code 32, and let me provide a height of 450 pixel and a width of 580 pixel and a margin of auto and some border radius as well, 5 pixel, and a border of 2 pixel solid white and some margin from the top, it is minus 15 pixel. I want to color the change the color of text to white, and lastly to make it vertically centered, to change the line height to the same height, that is 450 pixel. So it will format the text for me. Let me click enter. So as you can see here, the text is looking great now. So let me make the login page now. So click new file and save the page as login.php. So let me make the form first of all. Let me include the style sheet first. The same style sheet, that is style.css. Let me give a title of login page. Let me close the body and HTML tag. So in the body I have one button that is of sign up. Let me copy this and paste it. So let me change it to sign up now, because we are in the login page. So it will go to the index.php page. So next up, let me give a ID of section, and in this div I want to create a heading of sign in form. So let me close the heading and let me make a form. Method is post, action will be the same page, login.php. So in this form I will have two fields, username and password. So input type is equal to text, name will be username. Let me give a placeholder as well, username, and I will be having a password field. Name will be password and placeholder will be also password. So apart from this I will be having an input of checkbox. So this checkbox will be having the remember me functionality. So once the user has log out and it comes back again, so if it checks, if the user has checked this checkbox, so he did not have to write the values of username and password again and again. So let me name this checkbox to remember me and close this. So let me make a text, and in span tag let me give it class of checkbox text remember me, and let me close the span tag. Let me give a break tag. Let me give a button of type submit and name submit, and this will be sign in. Let me close the button. So let me also provide a link of forgot password. We will make this functionality in the later tutorial, but I want to make the layout for this. So I will be changing this display property to block, color to white, and let me give some margin from the top to 10 pixel. Let me close this. Let me give a href attribute, so it will navigate to forgot password.php. So this is the name of the script that will be called when we just navigate to forgot password. So let me close the anchor tag. So this is ready. So after that I need to process the form. So let me provide some styles as well. So let me make the checkbox text class. So this is the class that I have declared right now, that is this class checkbox text. So I am styling it in style.css. So first of all, change the color to white, and the position is relative, right 35 pixel from the right, and from bottom it should be 8 pixel. And let me style the checkbox. Type is equal to checkbox, and let me provide a width of 12 pixel, position to relative, right to 40 pixel, and change the display property to inline block. So let me save this and view it into my browser, so how it is looking right now. Let me go to my localhost user login.php file. So nothing is there. So let me save this first of all. Save this and again refresh. So as you can see here, the login form is there, sign in form. We can enter some username and password, and a remember me checkbox is there. After that, sign in button is there. After that, forgot password is there. So we have not made this script right now. And after the sign up button is also there, which can navigate to the index.php script. So let me make this form to process. Let me make a PHP block at the top. If is set, so if the user has clicked the button of sign in, that is post submit. So submit is the name of the button that we have mentioned, that is this button, that is name is equal to submit. So we are getting the value, that is we are checking if the user has clicked the sign in button or not. So if he has clicked that, then first of all we need to include the connection.php, which is located in lib folder. First of all we need to initialize the session. After that we need to check if the user has filled in both the username and password fields. For that we will apply a condition if not empty $post username and not empty $post password. So this line simply means that this empty function returns true if the fields is empty. So we are applying this not operator. So if the two fields are not empty, then we process this form. So if any of the fields are left empty, then we will be showing a error message. So let me make a else block first of all. So in this else block I will just assign an error, that is please fill all the details first. So let me make two variables at the top, error and success. So after that we need to get these two variables and store them into some kind of variables. So let me store it, and also the password. So after that we need to apply this some security functions, which we have applied also in the at the time of registration, that these functions. So let me copy the code, copy and paste it. So this saves our time. So after that we need to hash our password, the same steps that we followed at the time of registration. So let me copy this also and paste it. So after hashing our password, we just have to write a query, that is select all the rows from the table users where username column is equal to the entered username of the user, and password is equal to hash password. Simple enough. let me close this. So just run this query and store the result in the result variable. Function is there, MySQLi query. This take two argument. First is the connection variable and second is this is the con variable that we have declared in the connection.php con, and the second variable will be the query itself. So after that we will be checking. Let me make another variable rows. So it will be storing the number of rows written by the query. So another function is there, MySQLi numRows. It takes the result as argument and returns the number of rows. So if the rows is greater than 0, we know that this username is valid and password is also valid. But again we need to check that. We know that from this condition that this username and password is valid, but we haven't to know that if the email is activated or not. So this we will get to know by this active field. So if active is equal to 1, then the email address is activated, then it is a valid account. So if it is not active, then we will show an error message to the user that your account is not active. Please first of all get the account active and then you can log in. So we will apply another if statement, that is if we will apply again statement. So let me make another variable, that is array, and another function is there, that is MySQLi fetch array. Let me use this function associative. So this will return an associative array of the resultant query. So it takes this result variable. So we will be just applying this by this result variable. So we will store all the result in this array variable. So we will access each field by this two square brackets, and we will write in this two square brackets we will write the name of the column which we want to access. So we will want to access this active column. So active in the two commas. So if it is equal to 0, condition is, then we can assign another error message to the user that please activate your account first, else we can make a success message that you are successfully logged in. That's all. So this is the logic. First of all, we are issuing a SQL statement, that is select star from users where username is equal to username and password is equal to hash password. After that we are executing our query. After that, in the rows variable we are storing the number of rows that is returned from the query, and in the array variable we are storing the associative array that is returned by the query. So associative array contains the array in which we will be supplying the column fields, that is active is a column field. So we are supplying this column field inside two square brackets. So we are accessing the value of active through this. So if the value of active is 0, then we know that the user has not activated his account. So we will apply an error message that is please activate your account first. But if the value of active is 1, in the else block we will apply a success message that is you are successfully logged in. So this is the whole logic. So the last thing remains that we need to display these messages. So what we can do here, we can make a span tag and just apply some styles to it. It is, first of all, change the color to white and make the position to relative and change the top value to 20 pixels. So this is the styles. So in this span tag I can write my PHP code. So we can write if is set let me make error 1, error 2. So let me make 3 variables, that is error 1, error 2 and success. So let me make this error 2 and at the top, that is, what is the error right now, that is in the else, that is, this is error 1. So error 1 is that please fill all the details first, error 2 is please activate your account first, and success is you are successfully logged in. So I will be writing if is set error 1. So if error 1 variable is set, then simply print that variable echo error 1. And simply I will write another one, if is set error 2 echo error 2, and again if is set success echo success. So this is the PHP code to just show the messages to the users. So let me save this and so let me log in. Let me go to the login page. Let me refresh this and type a valid. First of all, just click on the sign in button by do not writing any of the details in the username and password fields. So let me sign in. So as you can see here, it is prompting me that is please fill all the details first. Let me fill it one time username and then click in sign in, and again this error is coming. So the error is right. So first again let me fill a valid username and password. So let me provide a valid username and password, that is username is Gautam and my password was 123456. So let me go to Gautam and 123456. So let me sign in. So as you can see here, it is prompting me that is you are successfully logged in. So this is exceptional. We have successfully logged in into our website. So again, the third error was, that is another error was there. It is please activate your account first. For that we need to delete our records first. Let me show you what I meant. Let me delete it from this, and also I delete this confirmation mail also, and again register. Let me again register. Let me type name Gautam, username Gautam, email Sharma Gautam, and this password too. So it will send me a confirmation mail. So let me open my mail. A confirmation mail is there right now. So I will not activate my account, and if I try to log in, and click sign in, it will show me an error that is please activate your account first. So as you can see here, it is saying to me that is please activate your account first. So all the errors are working properly. So let me activate my account. Your account has been activated. So again I log in. So it is saying to me that is you are successfully logged in. So all the error messages, success messages are working properly. So this is the end of this tutorial. So in the next tutorial we will be building our profile page. In that profile page we can change our password, we can also delete our account, and also we can log out from our account. So all these things coming up with the next tutorial. So stay tuned guys, I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.